Restart. Bro, error. Critical error.
Ohio.
Ow. I'm gonna try to start the video. Hello guys. Kinchas. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm slapping.
Don't slap you.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are playing Bedu Wars.
D-E-D-U-R-R-R-S.
And I have played these games before.
I played these games before. Is that it? Ohio, half na. Half na yung bridge. Ayan na, half. Told you. Man.
Bro, I just made that jump.
Ohio,
Can get some black sea cola.
Okay, I have black sea cola.
Get that.
Okay. Why?
Who just shot you? Bro, skibidi go pro.
Nakikita ka ng kalaban natin ah.
There is only a few people. And there is 2 people here.
2 people.
Ow! Traffic cone attack!
Hindi kita.
I miss!
Hindi. Ang layo mo kasi. Nag-beverage ako dito.
Can wait. No. I'm a fly there. I'm gonna use your skill. Okay.
Fly like a butterfly.
I see the light. Never mind. Isabella na ako. Parang nakakabingi na kasi.
Tamaan mo na siya.
Can you're dying? Get out! Stop possessing me.
Hey, don't kill them. Hey,
Okay, can. Can just keep on attacking him. Distract him. Kill. Successful.
Success.
Hello, my friend. Goodbye, my friend.
Man, yung ano mo na, yung bed.
And buy some armor.
Sira natin to, Bon. Gagawa na tayo ng defense. New defense.
Oh, bro, no, get out of here.
Haha, need it. Buy it as my...
And I'm mining some of it.
Galing natin. Ayun. Ay, ba't mo sinira? I just want to... I got banana.
Check it out.
Okay. Banana trap.
So again, if they try to do it, they're going to get blocked. If they do not sleep, I'ma do this.
Nice. Meron akong isang diamond
This
disc.
is definitely cocaine.
Block.
I'm just to see it like that.
Floating banana.
Ayun ako dun.
Let's go.
Ako din nadulas.
I did not sleep.
Ako din nadulas muli.
No, she's a pervert.
Speed bridge.
be hearing that from me. Sounds like you care.
No, he got banana. He got bunini.
Okay, well, to an exercise.
1 iron. 1 diamond. 2 diamond.
Explosive. Explosive. This is
I almost died. Ow! Ow! You mean it, so? Huh?
Yeah. How much? Like a tablespoon's worth.
Ay! Nasa emerald na tayo. Tingnan mo. Nasa emerald tayo. Tingnan mo. Kaya na natin yung papunta sa emerald. Meron akong isang diamond eh. Isang diamond eh. Diyan. Diyan.
Okay, can we need to protect our personal just?
Meron akong 4 diamond. 4 diamond eh.
Ay, wala akong ano yun.
Tama na. 4 diamond. Linagyan ko.
Dami na hindi.
Kunin ko po. Tapos mamaya ko na lang po.
Ah, sige. Hindi, mamaya mo na nabigay sa akin. Sige na kita. Something got into it. A deer mate.
Never mind, I am going up. Sir, you're trying to push me off. Ow, 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 ow. Easy attack. Get off, sir, get off. This is my property. I'm dying.
Mablag kasi. Okay. Nasa isang base ba tayo? Nasa isang base na tayo. May banana ulit ako. Ay, Man, tingnan mo ito, Man, tingnan mo ito.
Banana rang, banana rang.
Banana lang. Boomerang. Merong diba?
Can, this is my strat.
Boomerang. I almost died there. Hey there. Oh, nasa bahay! Incoming! In base! Hey!
Then don't come to base. Come here, come here.
I will run! Where?
In mama, oh, mama, choking.
Oh, sige. Ay, banana lang ako.
Can, just keep on jumping, It will keep on giving us health. Ow, broke out the good aim.
I will sacrifice. Why you?
Ring, ta, ring, ta, ring, ta, ring, ta, ring.
Told you I sacrifice.
Hey boy, you trying to attack my ring? Ring, ka, ring. I got plus 30 health. Hey boy, I'm trying to attack you, sir. Sir, I'm trying to attack you, sir.
Wanna play again?
Wait.
Saan ko to charge?
Charge somewhere. Naka-diaper siya. Carrot! Ken. Ken, my smartest plan. Hey, weave. Ken, are you watching me?
Nothing can distract me from making sure the entire biological community is safe for all.
Oh my god, all the eggs are harvested. Yep. Nope, not yet. I'm gonna have 16 emeralds when I sell them all, and I'm gonna save one. Oh, this is something. Not right now. Or. I don't got that. I lost my account. Wala. Tinry ko na eh. I said I've tried these games before.
I played these games before. I said I played these games before. Play again ba na? On. Play again. Okay? Okay. Click ka na.
No. Bro, I got 16 eggs.
Play again ka. Sakto pa yung nag-ask ako.
And wait, let's switch stuff.
Phone?
No, switch stuff.
Huh?
Let's switch character.
Okay. Farmer. My favorite is farmer and chickener. Okay na. Farmer.
Then should I pick the robot guy that steals stuff?
Huh?
Should I pick the robot guy that gets stuff for you instead of you getting emeralds? You get the emeralds.
Ikaw na lang. Ikaw magpili. Pili na.
Can let's make a farm.
Oo nga. Nagpapan na. Oo nga din. Man, pwede tayo magkuha na.
No.
Uy, may prutas dito. May potato here. Lamigyan. Tapos nakita mo kayo.
Sayang ako.
Ano yung mahulog ka dyan?
Are you listening?
She should have come with us. Just distracting you completely. What'd you do?
Kendo, no.
Boomerang. Boomerang.
I wanted the boomerang.
Banana ram. You mean banana ram? Right?
Kids.
Yeah.
Okay, there's five. Thank
We
God.
have no blocks. And we have no blocks.
Can wait. We need to get the carrot.
Alright. the pumpkin? Is that the pumpkin? This is a carrot.
Well, how much did it cost?
60.
Where did you find Listen,
Oh, nag-i-split Christmas na sila.
what do you think I'll do with just you? You're already.
Juan! Hey! Hey! Back up!
Haya! 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 He running!
Hey! Runner, guys! Runner, back.
Another one! What is that sound? Coming! Get, that's a distraction! No, that's a good distraction. And how long is my plan for to grow?
Hey!
Come here! Bro, that's good!
Hindi ko pa nervous yung carrot cake. Juan!
Now, bro, why are you trying to mine our bed? Ken, look! Get out of here!
Hey!
I'm trying to kill him. He very buff.
Hey! There you go.
Bro, I'm trying to buy a bow. Okay, bro. Spawn camping. One breaking our bed. Bro, we lost.
First thing that we need to do is farm. Yes. And then armor first. Wait, first we need to farm. Nalalago pa na yun. 3, 2, 1, farm.
And we need to get armor.
Yes.
And round. Bridging. Put all our stuff. Ken.
Kala ko, takihin niya ako eh.
No! Good aim. Hello, boy. You try to steal my friend diamonds. Ha 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 ha. Ringa. Someone trying to help us. Form. Ken. Trying to attack. No! You're bad! Ha? You're calling us bad, ha? No! Ken! He's trying to break our bed. He's trying to... She's flying up! Ken spawning! Nah, bro. We're just farmers. You trying to attack random farmers around here? You don't get, huh? I'm getting armor. Can you get a bow? You're toxic. Yeah, that's true. Can hide. Can run. We need to team on her. Speed cake. Speed pancake. How did she teleport to me?
Gamitin ko kaya yung pampalipan. Yeah?
Okay, gay. No, never mind. Let's not do that.
Toxic player?
Yeah.
Toxic.
And first, let's get armor.
I don't know.
Second, let's make underground base. Third,
You fart into.
no,
Bad.
let's plant. Well, how many % do you have? One.
Ikaw.
What? No, kidding.
What?
Charge.
Ha?
To charge.
Ilan ka nga?
20.
20?
No. I don't got a charger. Can wait. No. Please be a banana lang. Look what I got in my hand. Again. I got our first plant. No.
Roblox.
No, not right now, bro. We need to focus.
May tatlong tayo magkakot.
I'm falling, help.
You're not.
I'm falling.
You're not.
Kenneth. In real life. I'm Spider-Man.
Okay.
Help me.
Okay, I will block you.
Ow! I fell. I'm sitting. Again, help!
Wow.
Help me! Ayaw na yan. Oh, no, wait.
Nakay ka na.
Ah!
Golden bow.
I'm falling. I'm alive!
Cora, look at this. What, may nakuha ko sa laptop.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yung nakuha mo? Ano yung nakuha mo, Tay? Block tayo, Tay.
Mamaya na, Emerald.
Oh my god, I got a diamond! One D! Hey, you don't steal my diamonds, young man! I got one. How do I got 2 emeralds? Bro, they stole my diamonds! You got one and I got one.
Oh, 30,000! What arrow?
Can, let's bridge to the emerald place. You bridge while I'm gonna make sure that our base is good.
Okay, sabi, wait. Okay, now. The bridge is over! Okay na!
Build to the emerald.
Nakabuild na nga tayo.
Here. Ken!
Wala akong block. Diba?
Bro!
Patay ko na. Nag-pull ako, boy. Boost spammer.
Oh my god, we got the end! Ilan yun?
One, meron ako. Mag-ulan ako. Ay, ilan iron ko. Ay, tama na. Mag-4 pa na tayo, no? Or meron tayo, no?
Oh my god, someone here! Hey! Sword, get help! Oh!
I got 2 diamonds.
Can I got 2 melons?
I got 2 diamonds.
I got 3.
Emerald, punta tayo.
Nah, bro, we got emeralds here. Come here.
Mag-plant ako dyan, no?
Ken, come here. Come here.
Bakit?
The melons give us,
Ano?
they give us
Sige, last
emeralds.
emerald.
Ah!
Sabi tawa yun mo na.
Climb.
Kaya na, kung gusto mo pumunta sa Emerald, bagal niya eh. Pumunta tayo Emerald.
Okay. Wait.
I got
Wait, wait.
Oh my God! Nasa sabotage. Kala ko ikaw yung nasa likod ko, Mon. Kalaban pala.
I missed! I missed again!
I see that. I see that.
Ow! Can I show you from? Can I show you from above? 10 meters away!
Mon, may lucky block dito. May lucky block. I got 8. Diamond.
Dude, that was so clutch. I bowed him from a very far away.
Ako mananasting din. Lucky block.
No!
I got 2 diamonds.
Nah, boy, you trying to get us?
Ano to? Big banner? Big banner?
Again, I got some melons. I got 4 melons. I'm just kidding. 4 emeralds. Bro, you're fired! You guys are fired! Can heal us, can heal us!
I don't have Ilik pati. Buti, pinage ko yung ano.
Can I wasted my things for this? Diamond sword. Diamond sword. Yeah, no! What did you get? What you get? I'ma mind this.
Diamond. I got diamond.
Huwag ko naman i-charge yung cellphone. Tapos naglalaro ka pa, sisira yan.
Nag-upgrade ako muna. Ng diamond
Okay.
natin. Pumpkin seed, ano binibigay? 10 harvest into pumpkin carrots for the max. Nagbigay na lang tayo kaya ng carrots.
How much you got? How much you got?
Here you go. 2. Here you go. Here you go.
I stole some of yours.
Okay. Oh no.
And we don't need to go out.
Why?
I'm getting diamonds for us and I got 4!
What? Mom?
One.
Kasi, mamamatay na tayo. Tara na, mag-bridge na tayo. Bakit? Bakit? Mamamatay na tayo. Natatawa ka.
You're the one who's laughing, boy.
Bakit mali ba ako? Mali ba ako? Guys, mali ba ako? I have 350. What is this? Swap. So many lucky blocks. Crossbow. Mon. 2 of them. Ano yun? Zipline. No.
Again, think smarter, think farther. Farther
Ano?
patingin.
Skin max level.
Using our farms, it's better to use it than not use it. Did that make sense?
Huge lucky.
No. We don't need that. We don't need that.
Oh my god! Mon. We need it.
Can wait. Someone's trying to get it. I'ma get it faster.
No! Nakukuha mo lahat?
No. I fell.
That's why I told you to not get it, boy! Ow! Why are you carrying me?
That's what I did to you. I carried you for the whole game.
I carry you to the whole game. Like this.
Looks right.
Like
Wala.
this. I carry you like this.
Yeah.
Ayaw pa ng tag.
Yeah.
Ayaw pa ng tag.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ayaw pa ng tag. Yan!
We're in the game.
Nasaan tayo?
We're in bed.
We're in bed.
I'm just kidding. We are on a chair. But I'm not in a very good situation here again. Help.
Why?
Help.
Why you
Help me in real life.
Okay.
You're
Bon! May kalaban!
I was...
Bon!
Ring. Get out. Sir, you're not getting anywhere. You're getting underwear.
Sir, you're not getting away. Like a You so weak down.
And both of them got the 20 drop kick.
Want to drop kick?
But I got this.
What?
A rock.
The rock. The rock?
Ken, they're coming.
There.
The rock. No, you missed. The rock, you missed. Farmers don't fight, bro. We only don't fight because we don't fight. Why are you both running, huh?
We're peaceful, right? We're peaceful, right?
But if you attack us, we're not peaceful.
Yes. Oh my god.
One of them are here.
I just hanging with Emily, but why you do that? Do what? Why would you do that? Man, distraction lang yan. Told you. Yeah, actually, believing gravity, hampasan kita. Ow!
Yapping to yappity yap! You're such a yapper! You're a yapper!
Kung kalawa ka.
He's running!
Bloopers man. Alam mo yung bloopers? Alam mo yung bloopers? Do you know the bloopers? Oh na.
Critical error! Skibidi! Oh my god! We got it!
Ano? Yung yappy ton.
Oh my god, snowball, weave! Can he just weave in me? Can help!
What? I got pogo stick.
You got the pogo stick while our bed is gone? Can help me!
Pogo stick. Ano to? Design. Error.
Critical error.
Ano ba? Oh, I'm so. What? Boom! Boom! Boom na tamaan. Laban. Hey! Hey, Carlet!
Kenneth!
Help!
Bro, he's at our base, about to break our bed.
Totally.
Dugala, lula.
We're okay. So, what happened? Bro, we're okay. We're okay. We're okay.
Me friendly, bro, me friendly. Me friendly, bro, me friendly.
I'm your friendly.
Can you auto jumping? This is like perfect. Look, can look what happened to me. Can look perfect. I got auto jumping. You auto jumping.
I got some emeralds.
Can.
OB.
OB na eh, naging OB. Sabi ko, ganito ako, ikayas na ako. Ito ako, ikaw. Just watching. Ito ako. NPC. Aray! Ow. That hurt, bro.
That hurt.
Ow. You're Michael Jackson? Bro, you just hit me at the head. You farted. Give me iron. Parang sinampal mo mukha ko. Siniko mo ang ulo ko eh.
Parang hindi na ako makalakad Ikaw.
Ang ulo ko hindi na makalakad. Kahit hindi na makalakad, hindi pa din makalakad. Kinarinigas! And they protecting their bed.
That's okay. Okay lang yun, di ba? Kahit masakit. Huwag kang susuko, di ba? Sabi nila. Huwag kang susuko. Okay. One.
Kill now! Who you laughing at, miss? Who was that?
Who's that?
Masakit nga akin sa'yo. Akin mas masakit. Nasa ulo pa.
Akin mas masakit.
Akin sorte ako. I have a metal head.
Well, ikaw talaga.
Pero masakit pa din.
Dito ka matutulog? Ha? Uy.
Then bro just... How did bro make 35 damage?
Ma?
Ken, one got a
Ma?
crossbow.
Di ba gagawa ka ng sauce? Asan ang ano mo? Liquid seasoning mo?
Oo nga.
Tayo mo na ng ulam mo. Dali na, balik na, ano.
Nachok na po.
Palaman naman yung ano, yung Spanish bread.
Karing. Haha, 18 damage. Haha, another not 18 damage. Ken, help!
Abatayin ko ng rock. The rock. Wala na ginagawa nito.
Bro, the rock broke because you are too fat. Masyadong malaki yung rock eh. Pating nga yung ano? Let me smell it. I got it too. It's like a gun. Oh my god, get out of here, boy! Get out of here, you're trying to mine a bird! Get out of here, boy, you're trying to mine a bird!
Parang healer yata. Tulun eh.
That's not a healer. Wait, let me see. Oh, that's a healer.
Healer?
Put that in your bag. In here. Inside the chest.
Bro. Oh, nakuha mo.
Can take this. Can take this.
Take these pants. Take these pants.
May lightning sila. Alam ko yan. Did you not know this?
Nope. Alam ko lang umutot ka eh.
Tesla coil trap.
Airdrop. Bonus.
Malapit na ako sa papariliwan nun. May kaiban. Malapit na ako doon. Saka ako lang naalala.
Oh my goodness, bro, you trying to kill someone? Ow!
Oh my goodness, you're trying to kill someone.
Did you put that thing in your chest?
The healer?
That you got killed by the same guy?
The healer? Yes, the healer. You
Give
want
me. No, give me. You just stole it. Kenny's right here. Oh my god, give me emerald.
Okay na, take kasi na sabi ko.
Bro, it's because he fell.
Ang lakas nito, 1 hit lang to.
Hindi.
Ano?
That's not a one hit.
Eh, ano ginagawa?
Bro fell from a very high place.
Oh. Kala ko, 1 hit lang.
Okay, again. Hala shabala chalabu.
Ano yun? Ano sinabi mo?
Ay, mashallah.
Ang binibenta nila, may bago.
Token queens.
Mga 40 plus lang.
Bakit token queens mo? Token queens.
Gaganda. 40
Hey!
Ganda na ng
Psychopath.
I suffocated.
Hindi, parang hindi nakahulog. Ano ka ba ng mukha? Isip mo gano'n.
Okay. On Minecraft ah. Ano Minecraft eh.
Hindi natin para mo.
Hey.
Eh, yung nga ano ko, meron na isa pa. Hindi ko pwede yung ano lang.
You have bad luck. Man, I got traffic cone. Ako na yung zombie doon. Ako na yung naging zombie doon, man.
From where?
From the Plants vs.
Zombie.
Explosives.
Ken, one's coming to our base! Help!
I know. Traffic cone. Traffic cone. Danger.
Danger. Told you danger.
Told you danger. Kaya nga sinabing danger. Ano to? Oy. Meron akong 12 lucky, ay,
Get hammer. Oh my god, get me out here! Get help! Get help!
mama! Papatayin ko to. Ang sakit mo.
No, bro, you ain't getting it!
Manang galing mo muna. Danger na eh, pumunta ka.
Get answer! It's about to break!
Danger! Danger! Danger!
Get is about to break our plans!
I will kill you if you break!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Don't break!
I'm totally not trying to do something here. Ken, no. Get away, get away, get away.
Ano gagawin ko mo?
What is this?
You want some of these? Ano gagawin ko mo? Bibili ng maraming block. Katulad ng 400. Katulad ng 400 nun na block.
How do I use this thing?
400 blocks mo eh. Naaalala mo pa ba? Yung 400 blocks. Harvest.
Ken, I am invisible. Try to find me. Ken, try to find me. I'm done. And I'm back.
Apple. Apple the way keeps the
Apple
curse
away.
Apple away keeps the
Banana away.
nope keeps the
Banana
gamer
away.
Ay, nag-edit na ba pa?
Bakit? Dali lang.
That's an enemy. No. That looks like an enemy for me. Ken.
Wow! Kill that dude! Hey, why you too lousy? Kill that dude.
You know I got the chicken nugget, right?
You know I got the bow with me and chicken lore in my brain. Kill ka natin. Oy, itlog! Ano ba ginagawa mo dyan?
Ako, bibili ng ano yun. Bibili sa ano, dadaan sa ano yun.
Itlog, ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Hindi na tayo. Doon may daanan ng mga iba eh. Nakabalan na
Ay,
niya.
fighter. I killed him.
Bro, why is there a skeleton here?
Pickle? Cheap pickle? 2v2 na lang ito mo. Fighter versus fighter.
Hindi dumadaan sa mister.
Mag-bridge na tayo nun. Destruction ka, okay?
No, I'm gonna lose my invisible cloth.
May ano ako dito? Why you breaking? Why you breaking? Oh. Ano what happened?
Gusto mo na yung kape mo.
Monkey dito. Ikaw, ako na lang ba? Hindi pala. Hindi ka.
Boom. Boom. Bap.
Oh, nadi-distraction na to. Distraction. You think you're him? Think of it, everybody knows.
Ken, I'm invisible.
I'm unstoppable. You can beat me. Mon, may bed pa ba sila?
They have a bed, they have a bed.
Sabi na nga ba? Cheap chicken.
Can wait. Let's make a distraction.
Laptop. Alam mo yung...
Wait. Alam mo kung yung plano ko?
Alam mo
Maglagay lang tayo ng ano ko. Maglagay lang tayo. Let's place random places. Let's place it all over the bed. Now let's cover the bed.
Sabi ko, Benji, ba't ano? Sabi niya,
Mon, alam mo yung plano ko.
ano eh. Makulimlim ang tao. Makulimlim daw. Paga sila nagsara. Sila na tao.
Ano yung the void is...
Lakad-lakad ka na. Sa'yo, may umaga. Lakad ka na. Tanghali na, gising eh. Gising ka na. Nagrami na.
Ano yung...
There are voids monsters now. I think that's an enemy block. Oh, this is our block. This is our block.
Oh, that's it. I forget to get TN.
Can try to find me. Can try to find me.
Mun mamaya na.
Nandito ako.
Nagkakalabanan tayo. Mon, may kalaban. May kalaban, Mon. Mon, may kalaban. Nice. Boom, boom, boom. Sabog! Sabog! Sabog ka na! Sabog! Yun! Patay ko na isa.
Oh, you got it! Bro, you got a lot of emeralds, but you lost it.
At least napatay ko yung Moon. Ano to? Kainin ko daw.
You can fly. You can
Can you shoot them? I don't have a bullet.
Bro, I told you.
That's so cool, man. That's so cool, mate. Okay.
I just know this. It's a 1v1.
Alam ko, kanina pa yan.
I just know this again. I have 33 diamonds.
Muntingi yung ano, yung ayun. Bibili ako ng ano, yung ito. Or
Wait.
ikaw na lang.
Oh no!
I just noticed. I got 3 diamonds. I got 9 diamonds.
I'm stealing. Plan. I'm stealing.
Not enough one. Ow!
Oh no!
Do you want a bell? Do you want a bell? Yep.
Sir, you are not exploding a place.
Sinira nila. I killed him, diba? Sira my friend.
Ken, he's still there.
Papatayin ko kayo. Ang OP ng bone niya. One hit na lang yung bone mo.
Natin. Pasito. Nadamba ako.
Bedrock niya ay obsidian.
Kill him.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Gayat! Can he solo?
Man, do you know what I'm planning?
Oh my god, Ken, our bed is broken! Run!
We're broken. Okay. I'm destruction. You can do this. Simon, you can do this. Just run away, bro. Just run away.
They're probably farming my stuff there.
Sa iba ka na lang mo. Oh yeah. Kunan na yan. Just give me my money.
What? From the fries? Okay, just give me my money.
Bruh. Ibang laro na.
Can wait.
Ibang laro naman ah.
I could actually win.
Ano?
Oh my god.
Actually, 100 plus 100.
Yeah. Oh.
Pengi bench press. Pengi bench press.
But first, wait.
Mandala mo yung iikot ko. 3, 2, 1.
Banana.
Bench press.
Can wait. I'ma fly like a butterfly. Alright. Wait.
Montara, police tycoon.
Not right now.
I'm flying to the moon like a butterfly.
Alright. Wait.
Yay. Bye kayo who don't care. Seven. Ang rami talagang pay to win, no? No. Like Andy, like
Becky.
like
Skibidi.
like
Stacky.
Come on. I'm so good at driving.
Not no. I can actually win.
Suko na ikaw agad, di ba? Hindi na mo kasi.
Yeah.
Hindi nakakasya.
I am big and I am very strong.
Tingnan mo.
Not right now.
Oh my gulay. It's so expensive.
Mamaya ka na tayo. Kuha na ikaw ng price.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Paludan mo daw si
Save us.
Kasi hindi makakaano yun.
What?
Hindi makakasagot sa ano yung customer.
What did you say?
I got a spider duck. Get away! Can I get one of them?
Okay.
I get some fries.
You oh my god!
Bro, I won because of the enemies. The void enemies.
Galing natin. Galing natin yung danger.
Ikaw, Ken, nag-sacrifice ka para manalo.
Buti nag-sacrifice ako, no? Kung hindi, patay na tayo, no?
Kaya nga, Ken. Nom. Ken, nom.
Hey, I'm arresting you too.
Why are you arresting?
Because he walked.
What the? Wait. Guys, that is Ral. Subscribe.